important theorem. That theorem very repeated theorem also. So what is a method of estimator? Method of estimator is the first part is maximum likelihood estimation. Maximum likelihood estimation. What is a definition? Here n dimensional, not for one dimensional case. Here using the n dimensional case is a random sample n dimensional is a population density is note that f of x comma t. Then is the maximal likelihood function is note that x1 x2 usually notation is L equal to L of theta. Okay, f of x comma t is a single dimensional and you move the n dimensional meaning f of x comma theta. That meaning is not that n dimensional variable is there, therefore put that x1 x2 xn. This is called a multiplication. That multiplication symbol is not that pi product. This symbol is called a multiplication. Okay, up to n variables is there, therefore I varies from 1 to n f of xi comma theta. Okay, this is a estimator. Estimator means maybe Poisson. Here normal population is there, already I given the normal distribution formula. Same idea using here. Okay, suppose Poisson distribution values is there or theta distribution values is there, then what is a formula, apply and simplify in the n dimensional case. Okay, this is a basic given then, or already I given the question. Then what is the next work? This is the
Sir, can
yeah.
you explain this topic once more? I didn't get it properly.
Okay, ma'am. Maximal likelihood is first one is definition is n dimensional case, x1 x2 x3 up to xn. Okay, n dimensional case with the density means population probability case is the probability case is values is given, because you know the formula, normal distribution formula, Poisson distribution formula. Suppose p of x equal to e power minus lambda into lambda power x divided by x factorial. This same formula for the f of x. Okay, so what is the difference between p of x and f of x? Meaning p of x is called a okay, discrete variable is given, and f of x is called a continuous variable is given. What do you mean by discrete and continuous? Discrete meanings values is 0, 1, 2, 3. That type of values is given. This is called a discrete variable, and continuous variable means you put that interval part. So that interval part. Okay, that may be pi to 10, maybe pi to 10. That interval part is given in the continuous part. On this type, suppose discrete type meaning in the probability density formula using the summation concept. Suppose continuous type is given meaning the probability density formula is converted to integration concept. Integration concept. Okay, this is a basic idea. Uh, Maybe I move to the method of moments. Method of moments idea is very clear. This is a basic concept. Okay, up to n times null. Then is a new notation L. New notation L. This is a single dimensional. Then n dimensional case you move to this one. This n dimensional case move to this one. This notation pi is notation is called a product multiplication. This all are multiplication. Therefore, you put that all multiplication is in the single notation. Pi of n I equal to 1 to n. X1 x2 is can be written as f of xi comma theta. This is a basic is given. Then you want to process. What is the process of this problem? What is the process of this problem? Any problem, L meaning you want to find that first derivative, maximum. In the derivative test, maximum meaning you want to find that first derivative, and also you want to find that second derivative. So first derivative equal to 0, on that value is getting the some points, x equal to some point is there. On this point you want to apply the second derivative, and second derivative less than 0 means the given the function is maximum. Suppose greater than 0 meaning the given the function is minimum. On this rule apply here, maximal likelihood theorem, L values is there, then you want find that the derivative. You know the derivative concept. This is called a partial derivative. Tau L by tau theta meaning partial derivative, and that partial derivative equal to 0 is getting the sum points, also find the second derivative, and the second derivative you put that corresponding point, on that point you put that here. Suppose that condition is less than 0 is satisfied, then maximum likelihood is also satisfied, otherwise is not satisfied. That meaning minimum. Less than 0 means maximum, greater than 0 means minimum. Here product rule, therefore I am taking another two part. Directly we will taking L meaning no uses. Suppose you want to taking logarithm, because product meaning you want to logarithm meaning is convert to summation, then is a derivative is very easy way. Product meaning you know the formula, product rule of derivative. Product rule of derivative u v old dash meaning derivative formula u dash v plus u v dash. This is a very typical two values is there. Suppose summation meaning very very easy. Suppose u plus v meaning u dash plus v dash only. Okay. Then you taking logarithm case is very very easy way. Logarithm case is very very easy way. Therefore, you taking logarithm in the L case, log L, derivative of log L equal to 0, first derivative is getting the same point. On that point you put the second derivative is less than 0 meaning is a maximal likelihood theorem satisfied. On this case you want to find the corresponding estimator, maybe mean or mode or standard deviation or variance, that type you want to find. Okay, this is a very important definition. Using this definition you want to apply this theorem. Using this definition you want to apply this theorem, very 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 important theorem. So many times repeated question. Okay, many times repeated in your board exam, that means university question paper. So what is a given here? Given that in the random sampling, normal population formula you know already given. Then find maximum, MLE means maximum likelihood estimator. Okay, maximum likelihood estimator for mu means mean, sigma squared means standard deviation, that means variance, is noun. Okay, mu we want to find that mu when sigma squared is noun. Suppose sigma squared when mu is noun. This two part is very easy. Using this two part, third one is simultaneously estimator of mu and sigma squared. Simultaneously estimator of mu and sigma squared. How to prove this one? One by one I explain. One by one I explain. Proof of this theorem. What is the first one? Given that normal population. Given that normal population. Then already I given the small table. Normal distribution formula already you know. I given the small table. That meaning f of x comma theta value equal to is a one dimensional case 1 by sigma into root of 2 pi. This is a formula. Okay, we know that I given that table. We know that 1 by sigma root of 2 pi e power minus 1 by 2 into power x minus mu divided by sigma the whole square. This whole square is overall value. Okay, this is a formula for the normal distribution. Now what is the work? This is a one dimensional. Okay, this is a one dimensional case. This one dimensional case you want to convert to n dimensional. This one dimensional case you want to convert to n dimensional. That values is called a L. Now we want to define the maximal likelihood function. Okay, maximal likelihood function that called a L. What is the formula of L? F of x1 comma theta, f of x2 comma theta, extra 2, f of xn comma theta. That meaning product of f of xi comma theta. I varies from 1 to n. Okay. Now apply here. What is the formula? Xi comma theta. You apply here. So also apply here. What is x here? Here x meaning you want to change that xi. Therefore this formula convert to n dimensional. This formula convert to n dimensional. That is equal to product of I varies from 1 to n. Okay, you apply here n times case 1 by 1 by sigma root of 2 pi e power minus 1 by 2. What is that? Xi. X replaced by xi. Therefore here x is there. X is there. Therefore I am replaced that xi minus mu divided by sigma the whole square. Sigma the whole square. Okay. This is a product rule. This is independent of constant term. This product, that meaning n times multiply. This is called a n times multiply this product. Therefore that formula can be written as multiply n times. This constant term is a n times multiplication. Therefore I will taking that outside 1 power n divided by sigma power n 2 pi whole power n, 2 pi whole power n, because I varies from here. Therefore this only inside the value. Therefore I am putting here I varies from 1 to n e power minus 1 by 2 xi minus mu divided by sigma the whole square. Sigma the whole square. You know 1 power n value 1 only. 1 power 1 value is 1 only. Therefore this result can be written as in terms of 1 divided by sigma root of 2 pi whole power n into summation. That means product I varies from 1 to n e power minus 1 by 2 xi minus mu divided by sigma the whole square. Sigma the whole square. Now this is a L, this is a maximal likelihood function. Now I am taking logarithm. Now I am taking logarithm. Okay. Now I want to taking logarithm. Therefore log L equal to log L. Already you know basic formula, log of AB. Log of AB equal to what? Log A plus log B. This is a basic formula. Therefore multiplication is converted to summation. It's a very easy way. That meaning log L equal to log of this overall value. Log of this overall value. Log of this overall value. So now we are taking separately plus, therefore log of 1 divided by sigma root 2 pi whole power n plus, this is a converted product. This product can be written as n times multiplication. Okay, this product is written as n times multiplication. That meaning e power minus 1 by 2 x1 minus sigma divided by sigma the whole square into e power minus 1 by 2 x2 minus mu divided by sigma the whole square etc. Therefore this result can be written as e power minus 1 by 2 summation xi minus mu divided by sigma the whole square. Okay, this product can be written as here summation. This product can be written as here is a summation. Therefore this result can be also taking logarithm log of e power minus 1 by 2 summation xi minus mu divided by sigma the whole squared. I varies from 1 to n. I varies from 1 to n. This is a whole power n logarithm concept. You know the another formula log a b, log a power b equal to b into log a, b into log a. So apply here b into log a. This apply here and simplify. And also another one formula is there, log of a by b, log of a by b equal to log a minus log b. This is another formula. Okay, this is a basic logarithm formula. All formula apply and simplify. It's a very easy result. Log L equal to log of this overall move to the numerator. This overall result move to the numerator. That meaning sigma inverse root meaning already you know 2 pi whole power minus 1 by 2 whole power minus 1 by 2 whole power n whole power n plus log of this result is same minus 1 by 2 summation xi minus mu whole square sigma the whole square. So now simplify. It's a very easy formula. All logarithm formula apply. Log a plus log b formula again apply. Log sigma inverse whole power n plus log 2 pi whole power minus 1 by 2 whole power n plus log of e power minus 1 by 2 summation xi minus mu divided by sigma the whole square. Again log a power b, log a power b, therefore log L equal to minus n log sigma minus n by 2, okay, minus n by 2 log of 2 pi plus log e power minus 1 by 2 summation xi minus mu divided by sigma the whole square This is the one part. Now what is the rule of maximum likelihood? You taking logarithm. You want to taking first derivative. Now we want to find that first derivative. So first derivative that meaning dou of log L divided by dou first case is mu is want to find that sigma square is known. Therefore you want to put that you mu want to find that, therefore dou log L divided by dou mu. You want to find mu then sigma square is known means you want to find that mu only, therefore in denominator dou mu. With respect to mu these two are constant term. You know the constant derivative. The derivative of constant term t by dx of c, constant derivative is 0. Okay. Another formula d by dx of x power n. T by dx of x power n meaning derivative formula n into x power n minus 1. This is a basic derivative formula. Both formula apply here. N and sigma log sigma both are constant term. The constant derivative is 0 and this is also 0 2 pi. This is also 0 only. This is also 0. So only this part that is equal to, plus dou by dou mu of last part. So what is the last part? Log e power minus 1 by 2 summation xi minus mu divided by sigma the whole square. So one formula, another one logarithm formula is there. Another one formula log e power x. Log e power x equal to x only. Log e power x is x only. Therefore log and e power is cancelled. Is getting the result dou log L divided by dou mu. 0 plus 0 is 0 only. Therefore dou by dou mu of log e power x equal to x only. Therefore this two term is cancelled. The remaining term is minus 1 by 2 into x summation, okay, summation x minus mu the sigma square, overall whole square, separately I put that sigma square. So now you want derivative of this one. Minus 1 by 2 is constant term, therefore I am taking minus 1 by 2 outside. So what is the remaining term? Dou by dou mu of xi minus mu the whole square divided by sigma square. This sigma square is independent of this summation. I varies from 1 to n. This sigma square is independent of this summation. Therefore I want taking this is also constant term. With also with respect to mu is also sigma squared is constant, therefore I am taking outside minus 1 by 2 into sigma squared uh, dou by dou mu of summation xi minus mu the whole square, xi minus mu the whole square, that is equal to minus 1 by 2 sigma squared. I want to find the derivative x power n formula function of function. Okay, d by dx of x minus a x minus sorry a minus, suppose a minus x the whole squared, meaning that formula n into 2 into x minus sorry a minus x a minus x 2 minus 1 into, again you want to find that this derivative d by dx of a minus x. Okay, this is a basic concept of derivative. Now what is the result? 2 into a minus x the 2 minus 1 is 1 only, a is constant term 0 minus x derivative is 1, already inga minus is sign is there, therefore minus 1, that value is equal to minus 2 a minus x, minus 2 a minus x. Same concept apply here, same concept apply here with respect to mu. With respect to mu, here mu sign is minus sign, sign is minus sign, and also 2 is there, therefore I am apply here minus 1 by 2 is sigma squared into summation. Okay, summation what is the derivative value want to apply here, a equal to xi and x equal to mu, then a equal to xi meaning what is the value minus 2 into xi minus mu into minus 1, this is the value of derivative, this is the value of derivative, therefore that is equal to minus into minus plus, this two are cancelled, then the end of result is 1 by sigma squared summation xi minus mu, xi minus mu, xi minus mu, this is a summation I varies from 1 to n, I varies from 1 to n. This value is called a dou into log L by dou mu, dou into log L by dou mu 1 by sigma squared summation xi minus mu, summation xi minus mu. So what is the next step? So next step, this value is first derivative equal to 0, dou log L divided by dou mu equal to 0, then this value is equal to 0 meaning, so what is the end of result? This value is equal to 0 meaning what is the end of result? That is equal to, which implies that 1 by sigma squared summation xi minus mu equal to 0. Just this one is cross multiply, therefore summation xi minus mu equal to 0 into sigma squared 0 only. Now separately we want taking summation, that meaning summation xi minus summation mu equal to 0, summation xi, how many times you add this summation? N times. Okay, how many times you add this summation? N times, therefore minus n into mu, minus n into mu, that is equal to 0. See, which implies that summation xi equal to n mu, which implies that mu equal to this n cross multiply summation xi by n. Okay, this is a mean formula, is a first case over, first case over, mu equal to summation xi by n, mu equal to summation xi by n. This is a first part is over. Okay, same idea using the second part, same idea using the second part. Okay, up to first part is over. What is the first part? Mu is now mu, we want to find that mu is find that sigma squared is now. Okay, then with respect to mu, what is the second part? Second part is sigma squared is now find sigma squared, find sigma squared when mu is non-known, mu is unknown. So how to find this one? same process, but here derivative is with respect to sigma squared. Here derivative is replaced by with respect to sigma squared. Okay, this is the second part. I move to the second part. This is the first part is over. Up to first part is completed, meaning maybe 6.5 mark. I move to the second part, another 6.5 mark. What is the second part? Want to find the sigma square when mu is known. Mu is known. Then what is the log L value? Log L equal to, what is the log L value? Log L value is equal to that meaning okay. So minus n into log sigma minus n by 2 into log 2 pi, and the last case minus 1 by 2 into summation. Okay, EU log cancel, therefore summation x minus mu xi minus mu the whole square, xi minus mu the whole square. This is a log L formula. That means this result log L. Yeah, this result. This one is completed. Minus n log sigma minus n by 2 log 2 pi. This log and e cancel. Then remaining result minus 1 by 2 summation xi minus mu whole square. This sigma square is also constant term we are taking outside. That is a log L value. I writing here also log L equal to this value. Now want to find that the derivative with respect to sigma square. Okay, and derivative with respect to what? Sigma square. Derivative with respect to sigma square. Sigma square. Okay, this sigma square is not a sigma square. You write the sigma squared meaning multiply 2 and divided by 2. Okay, multiply 2 divided by 2. This is a sigma squared concept. So okay, derivative with respect to sigma square, I writing here uh, minus n by 2 log sigma square minus n by 2 log 2 pi minus 1 by 2 sigma square summation xi minus mu the whole square. So now want the derivative of this one, dou by dou sigma square, that is equal to, separately we want find it, dou by dou sigma square minus n by 2 log of sigma square. This is the first one. Second one, this one, minus n by 2 minus n by 2 is a constant term. Also this overall constant dou by dou sigma square log 2 pi, log 2 pi. This is a constant term. This is a constant term means this overall result is 0. Constant derivative, therefore this overall result is 0. So next one also minus sign, therefore minus dou by dou sigma square. What is the result? Minus 1 by 2 is constant. We are taking outside, minus 1 by 2 taking outside. What is the result here? 1 by sigma square. 1 by sigma square is a derivative term. This is a constant term. This constant term means you are taking outside xi minus mu the whole square without sigma square. Therefore, this is a constant term we are taking outside. Now want to find that derivative. Now want to find that derivative with the formula d by dx of log x. D by dx of log x equal to 1 by x. Okay, log x formula and 1 by x. And what is the formula of 1 by x? D by dx of 1 by x. This is called a nth derivative formula. D by dx of 1 by x can be written as x power minus 1. Therefore n formula n equal to minus 1 into x power minus 1 that is equal to minus 1 by x square. Therefore the one derivative of 1 by x equal to minus 1 by x square. So all values apply here. Here x equal to sigma square. Here x equal to sigma square, both term. X equal to sigma square is a both term. Therefore I want to apply here and simplify is getting the result. So what is the result here? Minus n by, okay, 1 by x equal to sigma square, therefore minus n by n is there 2 sigma square, okay, 2 sigma square. This term already 0 is no issues. Second term minus 1 by 2 is there, 1 by x value minus 1 by x squared, therefore I am writing here minus 1 divided by sigma square whole square, sigma square whole square. So outside is summation is there, xi minus mu the whole square. This is a summation result independent of the given summation, independent of the given summation. Here minus into minus plus, therefore minus n by 2 sigma square, minus into minus plus, therefore plus 1 by 2 sigma square whole square, sigma square whole square, summation xi minus mu the whole square, summation xi minus mu the whole square. So this first derivative is completed, dou log L by dou sigma square. What is the rule? Rule is this value is equal to 0. That meaning dou log L by dou sigma square equal to 0, which implies that this overall value is equal to 0. That meaning minus n divided by 2 sigma square plus 1 divided by 2 sigma square the whole square, summation xi minus mu the whole square equal to 0. Now we want to find the sigma squared value. Our aim is you want to find the sigma squared value. Then move to this side. This value move to this side. Therefore, what is the result here? N divided by maybe, okay, correct, n divided by 2 sigma square equal to this value, n divided by this value 1 by 2 sigma square whole square, summation xi minus mu the whole square. Here what is the result here? 2 is cancelled, 2 is cancelled, then 1 sigma squared is cancelled, 1 sigma squared is cancelled, then result is n equal to 1 divided by sigma square, summation xi minus mu the whole square, summation xi minus mu the whole square. Just sigma squared cross multiply and n move to this side, is getting the result is sigma squared equal to this n move to this side, summation xi minus mu the whole square divided by what? Divided by n, divided by n. This is a variance of the given problem when mu is no. This is over for the second part. This is over for the second part. Similarly, we can find the third one. Third one very easy one is directly you know. Third one is first part is what is the mu value? Mu equal to summation x by n, that is equal to x bar, because normal distribution, therefore mean value is equal to x bar only. And also sigma squared value already done, summation xi minus mu whole square divided by n, what is the mu values? Mu values is called a x bar, therefore sigma squared equal to summation xi minus x bar the whole square divided by n. So both conditions are satisfied, then our estimation is completed. This is a very important problem. So any doubt regarding this